But she's a little bit more important because she is hand making a carpet. She makes the carpet in the same way Turkish ladies have been hand making carpets for thousands of years. What you see here is art which goes from generation to generation, from mother to daughter. So this is a very important part of Turkish history and Turkish culture and Turkish family life. If you go into a Turkish home, you will not see one or two carpets, you will see 25 carpets. Turkish people are crazy about their carpets. But the bad news, ladies and gentlemen, the last 20-25 years, young ladies have stopped to hand work. Because it takes a lot of time to make a carpet. This carpet, also made by this lady, same material, lamb's wool, to make this carpet took a lady 7 months of nodding. Young ladies, when they need a carpet, you know what they do? They go to IKEA and they buy a carpet. But this here is, in Iran, the carpet you buy from Iran is made in a workshop, is Fabrica. Children work in Iran.
Is
in
robot?
Turkey, no robot, it's in a workshop. 55 ladies work together from morning to evening. Here it's homework, housework. Look, she's taking a word from the front, and a word from the back. A word from the front and a word from the back. And Turkey we use double knot, double knot, which means she will wrap around the front one, wrap around the back one, and pull. This is one knot. And now she goes to the next one. Again, wrap, wrap, pull. There's double knot. For demonstration, this was in slow motion. Now normal speed. Look. Wrap, wrap. Every line, she follows line per line, millimeter per millimeter. To do one line, to do 1 millimeter of carpet, she needs 2 hours. So if a lady sits here a whole day, and nobody sits here for a whole day, because if you sit here for a whole day, you go totally bananas. If a lady sits here a whole day, she can do maximum 3 millimeters per day, maximum.
Extra.
2 hours for one line. Patience. After one line, she will make the carpet stronger by compressing the carpet. She will hit the carpet to make it denser and stronger. Preciosa, yeah. Look. The harder she hits, the stronger the carpet gets.
This is a secret.
This is, yes, indeed. After the hitting of the carpet, she will do the clipping, because you want your front side to be of equal length. So this will be.
Very interesting.
And after the clipping, this line is finished. She goes to the next line. Again, on top of this, she will be nodding. Nodding, nodding for 2 hours.
This stuff is to throw.
This stays in the ladies at home.
Recycle this stuff.
No, this stays in the ladies at home. The ladies use it to stuff cushions, stuff mattresses. They do not throw it away. We don't take it back. We just buy the carpet of the lady and bring it in.
Okay.
And then again, nodding for 2 hours. After 2 hours of nodding, heading. After the heading, clipping. Nodding, heading, clipping, nodding,
Mai da,
heading,
cum nu pierde firul acolo la model?
Patience. Follow me, please. Let's look at a few carpets from all over Cappadocia.
Good job, good
Follow
job.
me. Çok kısa tutacağız. Every carpet you see here is handmade, manuel yani, made by one of those 4,800 ladies.
Wow.
This one here, for instance, also is wool, hand clipped, hand spun, hand knotted, and all the colors are made of plant. Like this is cherry, this is indigo, this is apricot. So everything here is 100% handmade and 100% natural. Neden? Niçin? This one is made of cotton. Cotton is very, very soft and very, very cool. If you touch this and you touch this, it's the same thing. Very cool and very soft. Touch, touch, touch. Very cool and very soft. From here, no, from Kayseri. From Kayseri, our own cotton from our own production, no Pamukkale. This is silk. Very, very cool and very, very hard, very strong, very expensive. To make this carpet, a lady needs 2 months. To make this carpet, the lady needs 2 years.
This is the same.
This is wool. This is like 3
This
months.
is wool, 3 months.
This is wool.
Dar uitați ce culori frumoase.
Evet. Söyle. Sipariş bekliyor herhalde. Please do come in, ladies and gentlemen. And please be seated over there in the front of the room. Please be seated over there, he is in the front.
Tablo, pictură.
Yes.
Pictură.
Hiçbir şey anlamadım.
No, inşallah.
İnşallah, inşallah. Kapatalım. Şu kalanı teşekkür ederim. Sağ olun.
Acum urmează. Acum ne facem felul.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Apa!
in Cappadocia, every village has got its own village carpet. So while you're sitting down, we shall now walk from village to village. The first village we're visiting is the village where we're here, the village of Uçhisar. This is design from Uçhisar. This design goes from mother to daughter, from generation to generation, since at least 1,000 years. And also, if you touch a carpet, you have to buy it. Es obligado de cumpărați.
Ascolo, Silvia.
Okay, test. Also, the colors are typical for Uchisar. In Uchisar, for red color, the ladies use cherry. For blue, indigo. And the brown in the border is made of onion skin. If you go to another village, you will see another design and other colors. This is the village of Zara. Zara village. Different carpet, different village, and a lot of colors. Why? Because the village of Zara is in a valley. If your village is in a valley, you have water. If you have water, you can grow many plants. With many plants, you can make many colors in your carpet. If your village is on a mountain it's cold and dry. Not many plants, not many colors in your carpet. The village of Fabrica. The village of Fabrica. The red is beetroot. Beetroot.
Spekla.
And if your village is very high on a mountain, if your village is on the highest mountain in Cappadocia, Mount Erciyes, if you live there, it's very, very cold and very, very dry. You don't even have specula roccia over there. You have nothing. Just sheep. So what you do to make a carpet, you look at your sheep. You take a white sheep, and a black sheep, and a brown sheep. You spin them all separately. This is what you make on a mountain. Look. White over white sheep, black over black sheep, grey over retired sheep. Hadi dari kampung ke kampung from village to village. Every village has its own carpet. Every carpet has its own design. Hızlı yapacaksınız beyler. Bol bol mal açalım. Yani şu fırsatı kaldı. Onlara da bekleriz.
Thank you very much.
Fiyat olsun.
Açalım. Oralarda açalım. Every village has its own carpet, every carpet has its own design. Renk yapacak yeter. But imagine you are in a carpet shop in Istanbul in the big bazaar, or you're in a carpet shop in Amsterdam or in Bucharest. They show you Turkish carpets. Turkish carpets are all over the planet. And they will tell you, all my carpets are handmade. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not possible. The carpets you find outside a corporation is machine. But if you like a carpet and you want a carpet to be in your house for 50, 60, 70 years, I suggest you go for a handmade carpet, because if you buy a machine-made carpet and you spill something on it, your carpet is ruined. If you spill something on a handmade carpet, you take a towel, put the towel on the Coca-Cola, and the towel will absorb your Coca-Cola, not your carpet, because the carpet is made of wool, and wool contains lanolin. Wool is from a sheep. If a sheep stays outside in the rain, it stays dry. It's like a duck. So if you want your carpet to be in your home for many, many years, try to find a handmade carpet. Handmade carpet, you see magic, you see abracadabra, you see hocus pocus. Look at the carpet, walk around it, and you see hocus pocus. If you see no magic, then your carpet is machine-made. Handmade carpet comes in a dark side and a light side. If your carpet does not change color, then your carpet is machine-made. The lady hits the carpet, you've seen that, right? By hitting, the pile of the carpet is going to bend. From one side, you see where the light hits the bendings, the light gets reflected, and you see a light colored carpet. From the other side, you see where the light falls into the bendings, the light gets captured, and you see Carpet Aladdin! But also this carpet is flying carpet. Look, this also is a flying carpet. Shall I make it fly for you? I turn it upside down, ladies and gentlemen. I say abracadabra. This is now a flying carpet. This gentleman is folding it into a tiny, little, small, kitschy carpet. It gets so small, you can almost put it into your pocket, ladies and gentlemen. Which we don't do. No. We put it in the back for you, ladies and gentlemen. We put it in the back. You put the back on your back, and with the back on your back, you fly back home. You see, this is a flying carpet, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, in change of what?